it is more consistent with their claim of innocence na wag silang mag-object sa lumabas na records, no? Because they have always said na hindi kami magpe-present ng evidence sa House Committee on Justice because we are ready to present our evidence sa Senate Impeachment Court. So now is the time to present the evidence dito sa Senate Impeachment Court. At ano yung ebidensya na yan? If they are saying they're confident of the innocence of their client, si Vice President, why should they be objecting to presenting the bank records? Because the records will speak for themselves, hindi ba? O if they say na tama naman yung dineclare sa Statement of Assets and Liabilities, bakit nila sinasabing hindi pwedeng buksan yung BIR records, no? I think it is not consistent with their claim of innocence if they will refuse or object to the presentation of these documents. Lalong-lalong na sinabi ni Vice President, wala daw ebidensya. So far daw, puro ingay daw ang prosecution at wala daw ebidensya na pinapalabas. Ngayon nga na meron kaming ebidensya, no, additional documentary evidence na ipapalabas, sila naman na nagsasabing, wag niyong ilabas yan. Ayaw namin yung ilabas yan. So, they cannot argue from both sides of their mouth. They will say there's no evidence, but yet they will obstruct the presentation of evidence.
Yeah.
Hindi naman pwedeng fair yan. Pag sinasabi nilang due process, hindi lang naman ang respondent, Vice President, ay may due process. Kailangan rin due process. Ang state, no, and the state here, the republic, the people are represented by the House of Representatives. Dapat bigyan rin natin ng due process ang House of Representatives, ang prosecution to prove their case. And part of that due process is the presentation of the bank records and the opening of the BIR box.
Kaso,
Hindi
Attorney,
lang naman due process is not one-sided. Due process must apply to both the prosecution and defense.